Assalamu alaikum class, it's Umar Ali, your teacher. It's our second lecture. Our main topic was the operations on sets. Subtopic is how to use a Venn diagram to define union in intersection of three sets. What is a Venn diagram? Here is a definition. A Venn diagram is a pictorial representation of a set. For universal set, we use a shape of a rectangle. For different sets, we use circle. Okay, here we have a set A having a circle, and universal set we have a rectangle shape. Let's see the example how to draw a Venn diagram. If a universal set having 1 2 3 4 5 6 elements, and A has set having 3 and 4, while B having 6 only element. First we draw a rectangle shape, then we draw a circle having 3 4, set A and C B. Check it out. Universal set have 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. Universal set contains all the elements of A and B. Okay, now we will study more in depth there where we have to find A union B union C. Then how we will use, if we will solve it, if A is equal to 1 2 3 4, B is equal to 2 4 6, and C is equal to 2 5 6 7, we have to find A union B union C. First what we have to do, we have to write all the elements, all the sets of values. For then we will find first A union B union C, which is 2 4 6 union 2 5 6 7. Union means we have to combine the 2 4 5 6 7. After that A union B union C. Now A set having 1 2 3, then B union C, the answer is 2 4 5 6 7, 2 4 5 6 7. Here is the answer, which is equals to 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, in this diagram how we can show make the Venn diagram of this. The shaded region shows the elements contained in the shaded element. There is a color now, there is a color that they are showing elements. A contains 1 3, while 2 is a common. 2 is in A, B and C. The common numbers are written over there. If every set having a common number, we have to write here. In set B and C, we have 6 common. This is written over here. In A and C, we don't have, we have 2. This is over there and nothing else. कोई special नहीं है separate, तो इसलिए अलग सा है ये. After that, we have to see that in the C we have 5 and 7. This is how we can make the diagram of a 3 sets. Let's see another example, which is A intersection B intersection C. We are using the same values of the sets. Then we will find out this. Here we have, first we have to find the bracket B intersection C. The B intersection C, B value intersection C value. Intersection means the common. The 2 and 6 are the commons. So it is written over here. Then we will find A intersection B intersection C. 1 2 3 intersection 2 and 6. What is the common between these two sets? The answer is 2. The diagrams will be the same, but the answer is 2, so we are shading only this number. Okay, now the example number 3, find A union B intersection C. Notice that all the Venn diagrams are same, but whatever the answer is, we have to shade here. Okay, similarly what we have to find out there, A union B intersection C. Again we write all these sets again. Then B intersection C, B values intersection C values. What are the 2 and 6 are the common, and what we have to find out, A union. Now A value union B value. Union means we have to combine them. Sorry, 1 2 3 6 are the answer. Report wherever they are written, we have to shade them. Okay, in the fourth example, A intersection B union C. Similarly, we have to find out first the bracket B union C, In the same, we are taking the same sets values. B union C answer is 2 4 5 6 7, and we have to find A intersection. So the value of A intersection A value intersection the value of B union C. Here we have what are the common between them. The answer is 2. Here we have a shaded value. Okay. In the fifth one, we what we have to find out, there are two brackets. Okay, A intersection B union A intersection C. What we have to do, first we have to find out A intersection B, then we will find A intersection C. Here we have first what we, how we do, we have to write all the values of A, B and C, and then A intersection B, bracket open, value of for A intersection value of a B. What are the common point? This is the common point. Okay, A intersection C, 1 2 3 intersection. Here is the value of C. Intersection means find out the common. 2 is the common, so here we have a common. What they are saying, whatever the answer is here and here, we have to union them. Union bracket, we have to write the answer 2 union 2. The answer is 2. The diagram is like same, but what is the answer? Answer is 2, so we are shading only 2. This is the last example. What is this? We have to find A union B intersection A union C. Why same? What we have to do? First we have to find out the brackets A union B. Then we have to find A union C. Okay. A union B. What? How we can find? We can find by using putting a value of A union B. 1 2 3 4 and 6 are the union. A union C, 1 2 3 union C value 2 5 6 7. Combine them 1 2 3 5 6 7. Okay. Now write down both these sets and find out their intersection. Intersection means we have to find out the common. 1 2 3 and 6 are the common. How we can draw the Venn diagram? This is how we can draw. Same, what is the answer? Whatever the answer, we have to shade them. Okay. This is all the our class. We kindly check it out the attachment for your task. I gave it the few questions of question number 8A and B part you have to do of exercise 1, page number 19. Okay. Thank you. Have a great day. Allah Hafiz.